Alrighty, Rob. This is Justin with Shaper Chevrolet, doing a little walk around video like I promised. It is a new arrival to us. Could be waiting some service or a full detail, but I at least wanted to get you as much info as I could on this thing. So let's start with back here. Definitely looks like it was painted a little bit. Let's check out the bottom. Let's see here. Let's see what we can't find for you. Let's see. Alright, we'll come down here. Kind of hard to see. Let's see here. Definitely got some rust going on, as expected. It feels pretty solid though. I can't put my finger through none of it. I'll crawl around on the floor for you, I don't mind. Try to get you the best shots that I can, Rob. Let's check out these doors like you asked. Alright, so we definitely got some rust starting here. I think this is what you were asking about, is up under here. I'll push that back in. Let that focus a little better. Getting chased around by some bees out here. That's alright though. Hey, look at them. Sorry. Back to work. Alright, so looks like we got some stuff going on with the door here. Freaking bee still. Does need to be detailed. But underneath these door panels that you were talking about, they do got a little bit of rust starting. Just want to be as transparent as possible for you, Rob. A little bit of rust going on right there. I'm gonna pop the hood while I got you here. Here's the engine bay. Got a little bit of rust going there. Alright, let's get you underneath the front here. Alright. I'm gonna get this sent over to you, Rob. Let me know what you think. Appreciate your time.